iPhone 10, the future has been too costly even for Apple. Recently, I read an article on AppleInsider which stated that the sales of iPhone 10 have not been up to the mark, especially in China, because of two main reasons. First, being the smaller form factor and size of the screen, and second, being the costliest phone of 2018 or 2017, as of 2018 I can say. So to get it all together, Apple is going to tackle its havoc in the sales by releasing 3 new iPhones next year, that is this year 2018, and these 3 phones are going to replace iPhone 10, and iPhone 10's production is going to be discontinued. So yeah, these 3 phones are going to be as follows. The first one is going to be iPhone 11 Plus, which is going to have 6.5-inch huge display on the front, making it not very user friendly for small hands, but for big hands, yeah, it's good one. And the second phone being iPhone 11, which is going to be kind of what the iPhone 10 is today, and the iPhone SE 2, which is going to be a budget centric device with a LCD panel. So yeah, but later talk about that. First, we have to see what Apple is going to do. So Apple has done this in past. This is not the first time for Apple doing it. If you remember, back in 2014, Apple discontinued the iPhone 5 and released the 5S actually, and also it released iPhone 5C, which was a budget variant of the iPhone 5 or 5S. So I can see where Apple is heading by iPhone 10 and what is it going to do, but I am still not agreed on the fact that iPhone 10 should be discontinued, because iPhone 10 has been purchased by many users, and if they discontinue it, there is going to be some not satisfied feeling within the iPhone 10 users once the iPhone 11 comes out. But also one more thing I would like to mark out is that iPhone 10 is going to be discontinued in summer before the launch of these 3 new phones, which is not Apple like. So will they do this? Will they not? We'll have to find it out later. And till then, this is Srivastava from Eccentric Tech signing off.